Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine Kavanda, and guys, today I want to speak directly to those of us who are searching for job opportunities, those who are sending applications, and those who are attending interviews hoping for a chance and sometimes feeling like the door just would open. I want you to know this: your journey is not a race, and your story is still unfolding. Do you know that every great success that you see around you began with a period of uncertainty, began with a period of waiting, began with a story of learning and trying again? Every successful thing that you see has a story behind it. So if things haven't worked out yet, it does not mean that they will never. Oh no, it simply means that you are in the part of your story where strength is being built, skills are being shaped, and character is being formed. Therefore, keep trying. Even on the days you feel tired, even when you receive rejection after another rejection, keep trying. Every application that you send, every interview that you attend, every new skill that you learn is preparing you for the opportunity that has your name on it. Believe me. But while you wait, guard your character. Important to note, do not let frustration push you towards people or habits that can destroy your future. Do not join bad company because you think there is nothing else to do. People have done this mistake. They just join bad character because they feel that I can't do anything good. The wrong crowd will never take you to the right destination. Please note this. Instead, surround yourself with people who inspires you, people who encourage you. Use your free time to grow. Learn a skill. Volunteer yourself. Read books. Practice. Believe in the values of hard work, patience, and integrity. Remember, a job is not just given to someone because of their qualifications alone. Oh no, that is not what makes you get a job, but also because of their character, because of their discipline, and their attitude. Remember, the employers look for people they can trust, and you build your trust long before the job arrives. Your opportunity will come. Your doors will open. Oh yes, your moment will arrive. So do not lose hope. Do not give up, my dear sister. Do not give up, my dear brother. Do not give up on yourself. And most importantly, do not sacrifice your future by working with the wrong people. You are created for more than that. Hold on to your dreams. Keep working hard. Keep believing and keep becoming the best version of yourself. And most importantly, pray God, for He is faithful. Better days are ahead, and they are worth staying on the right path for. Never lose hope. Keep trying. If this is the first time that you are landing to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. And from me, guys, love.